Hey, kids, let's learn phonics writing alphabet. Lesson objective, let's learn how to write the formation of the letters. First, vowels. Follow the number to write the letter. A for apple. Follow the number to write letter E. E for egg.
For I.
I for ice. This is how you write O. O for orange. Follow the number to write the letter. U for umbrella. Now consonants. Follow the number to write the letter. B for ball. This is how you write C. C for corn. Follow the number to write the letter. D for drums. For F. F for flower. Follow the number to write the letter. G for guitar. This is how you write letter H. H for hat. Follow the number to write the letter. J for jacket. This is how you write. K for kite. Follow the number to write the letter. L for lemon. Follow the number to write the letter. M for mask. Follow the number to write the letter. Yen for nest. For P. P for pumpkin. Follow the number to write the letter. Q for queen. Follow the number to write the letter. R for ring. Follow the number to write the letter. S for sun. Follow the number to write the letter.
T for tomato. This how you write V. V for vase. Follow the number to write W. W for whale. For X. X for X-ray. This is how you write Y. Y for yo-yo. This is how you write Z. And the last Z for zebra.